Hello students, welcome to my maths classes. Today's topic is sequences and series, and in this question we are going to discuss about arithmetic progression, which is a special sequence represented by its first term and the common difference between their consecutive terms. So our question is, if m times the mth term of an AP is equals to n times its nth term, then show that m plus nth term of an AP is 0. So first of all, let A and D be the first term and common difference of given AP. So our AP is represented by A and D. Now we are given that m times the mth term is equals to n times the nth term of an AP. You are given this, and the general term, the formula for general term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 D. So using this formula, mth term will become A plus m minus 1 D, and nth term is A plus n minus 1 D. Now this will implies that ma plus m into m minus 1 D is equals to na plus n into n minus 1 D. अब a की टर्म्स आप एक तरफ लेके आ सकते हैं, d की टर्म कैन बी शिफ्टेड टू द राइट. सो ma minus na is equals to n minus 1 d minus m minus 1 d. Now a can be taken common, and from here you will get n square minus n minus m square minus minus plus m d, and this can be written as m minus n into a is equals to m माइनस n को एक ब्रैकेट में रख सकते हैं आप, और m स्क्वायर, इसमें से माइनस कॉमन ले लोगे तो m स्क्वायर माइनस n स्क्वायर, एंड m स्क्वायर माइनस n स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज m प्लस n m माइनस n. So this can be written as m plus n into m minus n, and this will implies that m minus n into a is equals to m minus 1 n can be taken common, m minus n, and within brackets you are left with 1 minus m plus n d. Now m minus n factor can be cancelled out, and you will get a is equals to, अगर आप इसमें से माइनस कॉमन ले लेते हैं, then m plus n minus 1 d. Shift this term to the left, then it will get m plus n minus 1 d. Now the equation, the formula for general term is an is a plus n minus 1 d. So a plus m plus n minus 1 d will be the formula for m plus nth term, and we are supposed to prove this. Okay, this is 0. अगर आपने ये शिफ्ट किया तो ये आपका 0 आ जाएगा, and m plus nth term is equals to 0, and this is what we have to prove.